Hilti's new seamless modular support MT system replaces welding and other strut-based systems for key applications, such as cable trays, piping, multi-trade racks, overhead grids, and others. While traditional welded steel is widely available, highly skilled steel erectors and welders must be utilized for their construction. The MT system can be easily field cut and assembled without any specialized training with standard tools for increased productivity compared to traditional welded steel. It's a seamless solution covering a wide range of application requirements. The cut marks on the MT profile aid in measuring an overall cutting process. Combined with Hilti's AT module, both the twist lock and thread-forming bolts can be easily and accurately installed. This provides even further productivity gains and valuable documentation. For connectors on closed profiles, it's as easy as filling all visible holes with a thread-forming bolt. The comparison here shows that the direct construction work is almost twice as fast with the MT system. There are additional steps that will be required with the welded steel solution to make it equivalent in performance, like weld cleanup, zinc-rich repair paints, priming, and final paint coating. Making the smart choice an easy one.